Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about 5 amazing video editing websites that you can use to create powerful social media content. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these websites will help you take your content to the next level. So let's get started. Number 1. Adobe Premiere Rush. This is a great video editing website for creating powerful social media content. It has a simple interface that makes it easy for beginners to use. It also comes with a wide range of video and audio editing tools that can help you create professional quality content. The website is compatible with both desktop and mobile devices, which makes it easy to edit videos on the go. Number 2. WeVideo. This is another powerful video editing website that is perfect for creating social media content. It comes with a wide range of video editing tools and features, such as green screen effects, text overlays, and transitions. It also has a simple interface that makes it easy to use, and it is compatible with desktop and mobile devices. Number 3. Animoto. Animoto is a video editing website that is perfect for creating short and snappy social media videos. It has a range of pre-made templates that you can use to create videos quickly and easily. You can also add your own photos, videos, and music to create a personalized video that fits your brand. Number 4. Magisto. This is another great video editing website for creating social media content. It uses artificial intelligence to analyze your footage and create professional-looking videos automatically. You can also use its editing tools to customize your videos further. Magisto is compatible with desktop and mobile devices, making it easy to create videos on the go. Number 5. Kapwing. Kapwing is a video editing website that is perfect for creating short and shareable social media videos. It has a range of tools and features that allow you to add text overlays, captions, and filters to your videos. It also has a simple interface that makes it easy to use, and it is compatible with both desktop and mobile devices. So those are my top 5 amazing video editing websites for creating powerful social media content. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any other favorite video editing websites, please share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.